यानी चार्ज क्या है, एनी बॉडी বা object, the excess or deficit of electron is known as the charge, so any body consists of proton, electron, neutron. This proton, the charge of proton equal to plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Electron minus of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Neutron, this is neutral, yani 0. And also the mass of the proton, mass of the electron, and mass of the neutron. Mass of the electron, m of E equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and mass of proton, this is basically mp equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and also mass of neutron equal to m of n, this is near equal to the mass of the proton, this is 1.674 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. The most important of this chapter, quantization of charge. What do you mean by quantization of charge? The quantization of charge. What is quantization of charge? Charge of any body, charge of any body is equal to the integral multiple of charge of electron. Charge of electron is known as the quantization of charge. This is basically charge of any body equal to Q. Q is equal to N into E. This is charge, total charge Q, and N is any integer. N equal to 1, 2, 3, but any numbers, and E equal to, we always know the charge of electron equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Therefore, the problem is there. Calculate the number of electron, which is basically n, for 1 coulomb of charge. Calculate the number of electron in 1 coulomb of charge. 1 coulomb चार्ज में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है? 1 coulomb चार्ज में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है? As we know, for the quantization of charge, Q equal to N into E. Basically, Q charge is equal to 1, and N is the unknown number that we have to calculate. N, and E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. This is basically N equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Calculating this, we can get there 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. अर्थात इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो संख्या वो 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 होता है. This is the quantization of charge, number of electron in 1 coulomb of charge. Then we can write the